For those of you that don't know what wholesaling is a real simple tactic. You go put something under contract, a house, at a discount, and then you go and assign, with a one-page document, go assign your interest in that contract to somebody else for a fee. So you never actually buy the house. So I go put a house under contract for $250,000. Here's a cash buyer that wants that house. Cool, I'll sell it to you for $275,000. That $25,000 delta is mine. And I don't actually have to pay for anything. You do that several hundred times a year, make a lot of money doing that. And so as this thing started growing and growing and growing and growing and growing, you know, I found myself making a lot of the same mistakes that I'd made before. I was a hustler. I was trapped. The entire business depended on me. I was newly married, new little girl on the way, and I knew real quickly that I was about to spend every waking day away from my child if I didn't get my shit together. And I was on the hamster wheel. It's real easy to figure out if you're a hustler, guys. You know, I'm kind of the guy now that's known as the guy that turns hustlers into CEOs. Just ask yourself a quick question. What happens if you leave your business right now? If you left for 2 months, maybe told an assistant, a secretary, something, hey, I'm gonna be gone for 2 months. Don't call me. After they get done freaking out, when you come back 2 months later, real simple, is there more money in your bank account than when you left? Because if there's not, your ass is a hustler. You might be a high-paid hustler, but you are a hustler. The business depends on you to drive revenue. That is a hustler. So your job, which I quickly figured out, was to become a CEO. Put the systems, put the processes, put the people, put the leverage. Be fearless. Go do what you have to do. Because if I do that, then I get the one thing that is most important to me back, which is time. I get to own my time. I get to control my outcome every day, what it looks like. And that was a life-changing moment for me. I'm very thankful. I got a second lease on life. My kids are the most important thing to me. That little girl is now 17 years old. I have another 9-year-old little girl. We live right down the street here on the ocean in La Jolla, California. We live an amazing life. I skateboard to work every day because I fucking can. I'm a 52-year-old man. I don't give a shit. Life's on my terms.